Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. Today we are talking about something very important. Something that stops many people from improving. And that thing is, excuses. Maybe you say, I'm too shy. Maybe you say, my grammar is bad. Maybe you say, I will start next month. Be honest with yourself. How many times have you made an excuse to not speak English? Excuses feel comfortable. They feel safe. When we make an excuse, we don't need to try. We don't need to fail. We don't need to feel embarrassed. But here is the truth. Excuses are small lies we tell ourselves to avoid fear. And today, we are going to break those excuses. Step by step. Slowly. In easy English. So relax. Listen carefully. And maybe, this episode will change your mindset.
Thank you, Jessie. I love this topic because I see this problem every day. Many students are intelligent. Many students understand English, but they don't speak. Why? Because they are waiting to feel ready. But let me tell you something important. You will never feel 100% ready. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. The first time is scary. You may fall. You may feel nervous. But after you try many times, it becomes easier. Speaking English is the same. If you wait for perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect confidence, you will wait forever. Today we stop waiting.
Let's talk about the most common excuse. I am shy. Many learners say this. But I want to ask a question. Are you really shy? Or are you afraid? There is a difference. Shy means quiet personality. Afraid means scared of mistakes. Most learners are not shy. They are afraid of judgment. They are afraid that people will laugh. They are afraid of saying the wrong word. But mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. When you speak and make a mistake, you are learning. When you stay silent, you are not growing. So maybe the problem is not shyness. Maybe the problem is fear. And fear becomes smaller when you face it.
Another common excuse is, my grammar is bad. Let me tell you something very clear. Grammar is important, yes, but communication is more important. If you say, yesterday I go market, people understand you. It is not perfect grammar, but communication happens. Many learners think they must speak perfectly, but perfection is the enemy of progress. Imagine if you only speak when your grammar is perfect. You will speak maybe in 5 years, maybe never. Instead, speak with simple sentences. Speak with small vocabulary. Speak slowly. Fluency grows from use, not from silence. Grammar improves when you practice, not when you hide.
Let's go deeper. Why do we make excuses? Because excuses protect our ego. When we don't try, we cannot fail. When we don't speak, nobody can correct us. And when nobody corrects us, we feel safe. But safe is not the same as successful. Growth feels uncomfortable. Learning feels uncomfortable. Speaking a new language feels uncomfortable. But discomfort is a sign that you are improving. Think about exercise. When you go to the gym, your muscles hurt. That pain means growth. When you speak English and feel nervous, that nervous feeling means growth. So maybe next time you feel uncomfortable, don't run away. Smile and say, good. I am growing.
There is another reason for excuses. Habit. If you always say, I can't, your brain believes it. Words are powerful. The way you talk to yourself matters. If every day you say, my English is terrible, your brain hears this message again and again, and slowly it becomes your identity. Instead, change your words. Say, my English is improving. I am learning every day. I am becoming more confident. First, it may feel strange, but repetition changes belief, and belief changes behavior.
Now let's be practical. How do we stop making excuses? Step 1. Make speaking small and easy. Do not say, I will speak for 1 hour every day. That is too big. You will quit. Instead, speak for 5 minutes. 5 minutes about your day. 5 minutes about your plans. 5 minutes about your feelings. Small actions every day are stronger than big actions one time. Consistency is more powerful than motivation.
Step 2. Create a speaking habit. Choose a time, maybe after breakfast, maybe before sleep, and speak every day at that time. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Speak in front of a mirror. Join an online speaking group. Do not wait for the perfect partner. The perfect partner is practice. And remember this important sentence. You don't need confidence to start. You need to start to build confidence.
I want to share something important. Many learners compare themselves to others. They watch YouTube. They see someone speaking fast English. And they think, I am bad. Stop comparing. You don't see their first year. You don't see their mistakes. You only see their result. Focus on your progress. Compare yourself to last month. Not to other people. Maybe last month you were afraid to speak 1 sentence. Today you can speak 5 sentences. That is success. Celebrate small wins. Small wins create big confidence.
Let's imagine 2 students. Student A waits until perfect grammar. Student B speaks every day with mistakes. After 1 year, who improves more? Of course, student B. Because improvement comes from action. Your future English depends on what you do today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Even 5 minutes today can change your future.
Before we finish, I want you to repeat after me. I allow myself to make mistakes. Pause this podcast and say it. Mistakes are not failure. Silence is the real failure. You are capable. You are learning. You are improving. Stop telling yourself small excuses. Start telling yourself big possibilities.
And remember, nobody is coming to speak for you. No teacher can speak for you. No book can speak for you. No app can speak for you. Only you can open your mouth and practice. Your excuses end when your action begins. So after this episode, speak for 5 minutes. Not tomorrow. Today. Keep practicing. Keep growing. And we will see you in the next episode.
If you enjoyed this episode, like and subscribe for more easy English conversations.